But I think the biggest part of why India is picking up, in terms, especially from a GCC point of view, is all got to do with the talent. When I say talent, if you pick any of the headquarters, and if you look at in headquarters, if you look at the domain skills, what is required to perform a function or a process or a tech, it's pretty specific. Maybe that company would be one of the biggest companies in that area. But when it comes to places like India, you pick up retail companies. There are 14, 15 retail companies in probably Manyata alone. Banking sectors. So there is so many peer companies which you may or may not have access to in your headquarters. From a talent point of view, is something that is abundantly available here. So as he rightly said, most organizations are going through this transformation. And in this transformation journey, it could be digital transformation, it could be functional transformation, whatever you do, there are people available because of the 20, 30 years of GCC, presence in India. You get the kind of the talent, not only pick a banking sector, not only from that, it could be, if you look at retail, it could be merchandising, who've gone through this transformation wave in other companies. And they're bringing in the knowledge, which is making your time to market time faster in terms of achieving the best out of your transformations. So it is definitely tech, but tech coupled with your functional expertise, your domain expertise of doing it in other organization. And second point is, whether we like it or not, most headquarters are siloed. When I say siloed, they're used to working within a particular vertical, within a particular function. In GCC, it is far more end-to-end because we have such a large crowd located in one building. You have 5,000 people who are working across functions sitting together. So the ability to connect the tech to the users or to the people who are going to use it for the customers are far more stronger here in India. That is really sweetening the deal for us in terms of why the sudden surge or concentration of GCCs in India.